Hello and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Here we are back at Body Shops. Haven't done one of these in a while. And we are going to use our Spider 4 here on the outside to remove the quarter glass on this Mustang. First things first, what I have already done is I had them remove the trim here. Used my express knife, you can see my water droplets here, to cut this front edge and at least cut this front glue because it's a nice long flat piece, and that will help this cut a lot easier. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take, I use the WRD stick here, and you're going to lift this flap and drag this along here a few times until you cut through that double-sided tape that holds this flap down. And then we're going to take our line here and we are going to go below here, lift this flap out of the way, and we are going to tuck our line in here all the way into the back, and we are going to do a double wrap on this thing, so we make sure we get enough line here, make sure we are clear of our trim up here, and tuck this around the back. Make sure, I don't know if you can see it in here, but there's the encapsulation on this guy, and you want to make sure that you are below that encapsulation on there, because you don't want to cut through that and damage it, because then you'll have to replace the window as well. And make our second lap here. All the way around. Look inside here and make sure we're on the inside edge against the body. Use our anchor here, take up some of our slack, and get to cutting. Now this one we are not too worried about burning the clear coat on here because they're going to be doing a whole blend on this panel, so we're not too terribly worried about that. We're going to turn this guy so we can get a good angle for this. And again, just like when we do the windshields, we want to try to utilize the pulley instead of the glide. So, like I said, we've already got this front edge cut, so this should cut out pretty quick and easy, all things considered. Let's make sure we are still behind here. See, pulling our line through right there. And just like that, quarter glass is free, and we are all good to go. All the pins are cut out of the way. Lost a little bit of the encapsulation, but right on the edge there, so not too big a deal. We just don't want to cut it all the way down to the glass. But that is removing a quarter glass on a Mustang with your WRD Spider 4. Till next time, guys. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.